What is going on, YouTube? How you guys doing today? So today, guys, I'm here to unbox, review, and also show you the on foot, all right, of the Jordan Xxxv Bayou boys, all right. If you don't have these Jordans yet, they come in a box that looks just like this, all right. Now, Bayou, the word Bayou relates to something about the swamps. You understand what I'm saying? So these shoes right here were kind of created in something around that kind of meaning. You know what I'm saying? You know, so this Jordan is not like your regular Jordan. So I'm going to give you guys a special unboxing. So while I'm talking, I'm going to be unboxing this. All right. So let's take a look at it. Let's see what it looks like. All right. As you guys can see, it comes with a fake swamp moss, right? They made it look very realistic. I'm gonna take that out and let y'all see that, right? It says Bayou Boys right there, Bayou Boys. And the sheets comes with green sheets, all right? Everything is green in there. Let's take a look at it. Let's see what it looks like, all right? Now, guys, I got these right here for about 210 bucks. All right, that's how much it cost me to get from Nike.com. All right, it's called the Jordan Xxxv Bayou Boys. All right, has something to do with the swamps. That's why you see all the green color and stuff like that. As you've taken a look at the box, which I showed you, a very detailed unbox, all right? And that's from my other sneaker channel called Sneaky King, all right? You find the very detailed unboxing on that channel. You go there, go subscribe to my channel. I appreciate that, all right? The way the bottom of these shoes are designed is so dope. This is what I like about these Jordan, you know what I'm saying? How they got this little space in here. I guess to just contour to the way that your feet moves, you know what I'm saying? So to fit you perfectly in order to give you that comfortability on the court. You know what I'm saying? Like, these are they do look very stylish. I look at it though as an on-court kind of sneakers. They are stylish, you know what I'm saying? They're dope, it's different, but I see it as an on-court kicks, you know what I'm saying? If we take a look at the edge of the ankles, they're very, very padded, all right? And that's pretty much it, man. You know what I'm saying? They took a look at them laces. That's kind of fire, man. These are dope, man. This is definitely dope. Definitely dope. This goes for 210 bucks. These right here are made of leather. The way they made this leather look is like kind of like old leather. You know what I'm saying? Like old worn out leather. But it's just a dope look for it. You know what I'm saying? It's different. You know what I'm saying? I have now come to the end of my video, guys. Thanks for watching my video. If you're new with this channel, click that subscribe button. And if you're not, well, what are you waiting for? Click that like button. Click that share button. Come back again and watch my videos. Thank you again for watching my videos. And until next time, just maybe, I might see you with these on. See you later. One easy.